In 2022, ancient Etruscan bronze statues were discovered beneath the thermal waters of San Casciano dei Bagni. For over 2,000 years, these waters have preserved history. Just a few minutes from this remarkable village, surrounded by countryside and privacy, we are about to discover Podere Rancioli. Welcome to an elegant Tuscan estate set within 2.7 hectares of private land. Peaceful and private, yet close to the village and its renowned thermal waters. The main farmhouse measures around 700 square meters and is arranged over 2 levels. We are now on the ground floor, the most welcoming part of the home. Inside, there is a spacious kitchen, a dining room, and a living room with fireplace, along with a more private TV room. This level includes also 2 ensuite bedrooms. At the center is a charming inner courtyard, perfect for outdoor dining or as a refined main entrance. Upstairs, there are 2 large living rooms with fireplaces. Four ensuite bedrooms complete this level, offering comfort and privacy for family and guests. The estate is surrounded by 2.7 hectares of private land, with open views over the Tuscan countryside. A traditional wood-heated outdoor tub offers an authentic wellness experience. Pergolas, ancient oak trees and 50 olive trees frame the farmhouse. The 15 by 7 meter swimming pool is set in a secluded position, offering complete peace and privacy. The property also includes a separate guest house, ideal for hosting visitors in comfort and independence. Living here means enjoying space, privacy, and the unique atmosphere of one of Tuscany's most important thermal destinations. Keep following us for more property tours. And if you're interested in seeing this property in person, contact us today.